built swak sa'yo to make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. Mo man umobaling, same passion, same game. Same balay, cruise so tight, gear and grind. Buong night high, pilot tayo, let's go. Say, Barley Gear, harvest through cryo, create, never slow. This our game, let the world know. Shout out, bossing, ho ho. Master Zorro, level tayo. Let's go, say big Barley Gear. Oh oh, let's go. Oh oh, say Barley Gear. Oh oh, let's go, say big like Pa-level tayo, let's go. Whoa, say Barley Gear. Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Gagabilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumak, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check. Ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit, yo! Bossing, ho ho! Master Zorro! Hands up, ready now! High level tayo, let's go! Let's go! Grind all night, same crew! Let's go! On Monsters Quest mode on Say Balaliya! Lutheran! High level tayo, let's go! From no gear to legendary! Look at game like fast and true! Level up me and you! Measure twice, cut once, paint na two. Armor built swak sa'yo to make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. Mo man umobaling, same passion, same game. Same balay, cruise so tight, gear and grind. Buong night high, pilot tayo, let's go. Say, Barley Gear, harvest through cryo, create, never slow. This our game, let the world know. Shout out, bossing, ho ho. Master Zorro, level tayo. Let's go, say big Barley Gear. Oh oh, let's go. Oh oh, say Barley Gear. Oh oh, let's go, say big level tayo. Let's go. Say Barley Gear.
Laks pala. What's up? Tara na. Intro na natin itong mga boys and girls. Ito, nakailang palit na pala ako. For the past few days. Grabe ka talaga. Lag yun. Ayan. So, welcome sa ating CVT. Ang ating parang na Origin Classic. Day 3 na ngayon, pero ngayon lang nag-live. May mga concerns lang about ayan, kukuha pa rin. So, ayan. Uy. Don't beat it. Ano lang kaya? Tulipang. So far, 4 lang per account ang nagagawa natin. Uy, bakit ka nagbubukas dyan, boy? AFK itong mga to. Ito, nataray ko lang to. May pitik na, oh. Ganda ng ano, tunog ng ano. Trip. Busing. Ano ito? Ito pala. expired na nga ba't. Maganda lang tunog ng ano crit. Kahit umaalog yung screen ng konti. Nung nabubudol ka ng ano no, crit. Which is a gandang sign. Decent na yung attack speed mo, pumipitik ng 170, 140. At least constant, hindi nga lang ganun kalakas, pero pag yan, tumama, palong-palong, naka tayo, daily combat duration. Start from scratch to mga boy. Ayun na, nasa page yun. Midnight Mind. Dito muna tayo habang nag-ano tayo. Papakalma na nga bagay-bagay natin boto. Ganitong build kasi usually pansin ko kasi naglaro naman akong Origin, P-Server, and then Dota. Pansin ko na pa ang madalas is 3 stats lang ang nalalagyan. Mamili na lang kayo kung ano dyan, depende din sa ano. Wala pa ito mga to. Ayun, anyway. Usually naman to may dailies to. Dito sa Origin. One, ito, sa events. Lahat yan, as much as possible. Kung kaya mong tapusin, go mo. And then, ito. Monster Annihilation. Focus to sa drops. Basta maka-finish mo yung events na daily. Doon sa kanina. So, pag na 100 reward coin, activity points ka na, meron ka ng 7,200 na tawag ito, blessing count. So, this is for hunting or mobs, equipments, items, etc. So, yan. May naipon ako dalang araw yun. And then, times 3 yung, times 6 yung drop. Also, itong daily combat duration is for your experience. So, base or job level. Times 2 yan. Recommended always. Meron siyang recommended. Sold items of sold. Base na lang kayo dyan. Depende sa level and size adjustment nyo. Unless you want to go beyond. And then, itong experience gain. Co-convert siya daily. So, para mag-stack up siya. For to rested until you finish it. So, para may continuation siya on dito. Continuation siya ng pa-level mo. Mabilis lang to kapag meron kang speedy candy. Store lang yan. Puro sa store lang. Wala nagbebenta. Since CBT pa lang tayo guys, kaya kaya pa yan. Okay na yung pets. Yung gumagawa. Yung potion. Ayan, ito pa isa sa mga features ng Origin, yung guide, this cafe. may parang mastery ng mastery ng monster based sa kill count mo. Ayan, for example, itong Mantis. Level 1 high monster icon. Allow monster to potential drop yung essence. It's either earth, mga elemental essence yan, and then yung profile ng monster. So, yung essence here, and collect those for aesthetic look. Especially this one. Medyo mahirap yung dala. Orc ba to? Yep, Orc baby. Sakat na iba yung tsura. Black siya. Ano yung appearance? Yes. And featured ng game for your aesthetic purpose. Also ito, mga pang chat yan. Ano ba? Card album, ito. Pwede mo siya deposit. May collection bonus siya per card na naka-deposit. So far, may amount deposit dito. Dito sa character nito mukhang wala pa. Sa ibang character. Most of which naman kaya i-farm yun, lalo na yung mga normal monsters. Ito. Hindi pa yung mga pouring quest. Titles lang. Achievement. Pet gallery, mga multiple na. Uy. Ito pala. Suhi. Maganda pala yung visual. Baphomet yung good for trait types. Sohi, skill cooldown modifier plus 12, damage reduction C. King Tiki, Kitten Oracle is attack percentage. Abyss Witch, magical attack percentage. Teacup Rabbit, water attack, good for mages, I think, sa sages na using water element. Dr. Owl, and then it's physical attack, Fleecy, Squidget. And then, Child of Earth's defense plus 20, good for tanks. So, kailangan natin 100 pet icon. Also, boss tips sa other boss. Helheim, ito, medyo daanin natin itong Helheim later, and then itong Nightmare. At the journal, activated na ba ito? Mukhang hindi pa. Pa activated to. Ito, equipments. Ito yung mga possible equip so far. For now, nasa level 17 na tayo. Suggested is ito mga to. How to obtain ayan, ito lang. Nightmare Temple. May ito tayo dyan. So, yung mga basic guides niya. Mount given na yan. Uy, nag-level na tayo. Pets, yung kanina. Feathers, ito yung mga pa-additional. Stats mo depends sa makuha mo feathers. You can always click the feather and then obtain. It's either yung day night, up chest, or feather shop. And then, what else? Additional na yung damage. Meron na ba tayong pahanap bago? Tapos, Divine Armament yan. Ito, builds. Sure builds. Nakafocus tayo ngayon sa Loki. Mostly crit naman siya. Yes po. Wait lang po. So, attack speed. Ayun. 10%. Ayan pala yung kanina. Kaya pala tataka ko. Biglang tumataas si attack speed, no? From 140 to 170 may effect siya. So, yun. So yung pinili ko. Ito kasi si Blade of Vasu Arya Deva. It's more ng create Sonic Glow type. Kasi makikreate yung Sonic Glow mo. And then Green Tooth is more create dead. Pero nakafocus siya sa Green Tooth, no? Appearance wala, ganun pa rin naman ang season sa kanon natin yung din. Kasi itong Light Wisdom sa Nightmare Temple din. Next wardrobe, it's more aesthetic ngayon since from Origins. So aesthetic na lang siya mostly kasi pare-pareho na lang silang stat equipment equip. Ang habol mo na lang dito yung makukolect mo dito. And then yung mga additional very minimal aura effect. So up to 60. Ayan. May fashion ranking naman pero yeah. Nag-upgrade na sila ng mga ano na. That's for wardrobe. Obviously, guild. Benefit ng guild, yan, meron dyan. Naka-benefit yan. For example, Zenny. Cards, ito yung upgrading cards, insert. Nakafocus tayo pag nagka-card tayo. Dito tayo pupunta sa upgrade or awake mo nyo muna. For example yan. May specific card po, color for specific card. For example, si Minoros, kailangan natin ng fragments by dismantling cards with the same color. Ito kanina is ginawa ko na yung green card. So, ayan, papansin yung green card C. Savage Baby. So, ang goal ko for this one, siguro ito na lang standard. Iyan na natin. Builds, andito na may mga usual builds. Ayan, dalawa lang naman yan. At ayun. Crit or ito. Int type. Span. And double dagger siya. Since ano siya, Soul Destroyer build. Saka, ito bago to eh. Find weakness. Also, yung crit double din pala to. Pero mas siguro na mas stick pa rin ang default ng natin. Default critical Qatar. Connect. Ito pa ngayon ko lang ulit feature nito. Spectate pala to. Gonna watch yung itsura ng spectate kayo ng mga bagay-bagay. For example, Endless Towers wala. Nightmare madami dyan ngayon. Stream Challenge wala ngayon. Team Dungeon, Freya wala pa to. Pero mostly Night Temple. Makikita nyo paano i-play yung game. And ranking, mostly fashion, monsters, mount, achievement points, events, ayun, wala naman siyang iba. This one, community lang to, meron kay 200 gold. Ang current, tapos ito, screenshot ng album lang to, and then settings. So, ayan. Usual settings natin. And shops, ito pala yung shops natin, gold coins. Ayan, ito yung mga way sa gold. Yan berry. Wala pa kung paano to makukuha. But wait na natin. Unusual ano. Coin to. And then good contribution eh. Build quest pa yan. Kailangan ipunin niyo kung kailangan yung mga specific cards. Itong tawag dito. Illusionary fragments, mostly MVPs, MVPs yan. Ito card fragments. Dismantling cards. Pets, meron yan. Mini bosses. And some MVPs. Lako ko na yun. Niltok sa main. And feathers yan. Essentials yan. And that's for shop. Trading, ito yung ano natin. Centralized exchange. Yan, bounty. Sell items and cards yan dito. Wala pa nagbibenta masyadong card. Using nga pala Zenny. Gold coin, Zenny, and coins. Ang ating currency. Auction yan. Usual auction naman yan. Rewards lahat to. At least, please guys, tapusin nyo. Monthly pass for only, libre kasi ngayon. I think 300. Ilan tong 14 USD. For 1 month ba to? Monthly pass. Okay, monthly pass. Growth. Yan. Rewards. Yeah, daily. Kailangan yung at least try to finish this along with yung mga daily task natin before. Skills. Andito si skills. Which is, yan. I think by default to. Default ko lang to. There you go. And then to medyo nilaro ko lang. Medyo mataas yung ano. Pero meron naman dito suggested. Yan, medyo paangat na yung STR natin. So, ayan. Napansin ko lang is most of the stat recommended builds are allocating sa tatlo stats. So, mamili na lang kayo. Gusto ang ating may 500 pa tayo. Napapansin ko dyan na 271, 240 dahil dun sa divine. Ilagay ko yung key. Balita ako kasi at least from what I seeing from other streamers is ang Hunter and Sniper and Steam X medyo ilag sila or hirap sila makapag-party. Buti ngayon merong where is it na parang ito job changed, right? So you can alala sa global 1 lang to after you is level 70 sila pinibigay nila. Kailang palit na ako dyan. Ay, mayroon pala ako dyan. So, minsan, on this tower pala sa MVPs. Ang nakakuha kayo nito, combine nyo lang. Max. Okay.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and
Isa-isa na nga lang na.
memo, mano mo, balik.
Yes. Kasi ano yung rare car album. Kasi yun natin, nakuha natin card. Uy, dami nito. Sarap.
Let's go! Say, parlay, girl! Puppets through cryo, create,
Insert
never slow.
card.
This our game, let the world know. Shout out! Shout out! Bossing!
Ay, saan yun? Hindi ko mali. Mali na lang. Insert card. Shoot. Pitch recovery. Insert. Ito na lang. Tayo.
Palabal tayo, let's go!
Iki. Parang wala tayong pamag-iki. Lock tayo with damage to versus.
Ready na. Great sword
Ayan,
swings,
wala.
kumamakana. Gagabilis, double
Lahat pa
critical
tayo. Kasi ito.
Hammer, bahala na. Let's go!
May pakisa.
Tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check.
Yan na
Ready, drop na
shoot,
isang round,
equip,
isa pa.
lock, wait.
Click, respawn, laban,
Ito,
ulit.
crit.
Walang quit, walang limit, yo!
Uy, bakit ayaw mo? May isa pang ano. Pwede yung crit pa lang ito. Insert lang ang insert. Ano naman CBT. Meron mo itong headgear. Stun resistant. Wala. At least ito dalawa. Pwede mong dalawa.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two.
Dismantle ko na lang. So, ganda dismantle na lang natin. Ayun guys. Ano may sell ko? So, store. Yung pala eh. Store ko? Ay wala. Ano talaga store? Ako na lang to. Or ulit. Or expansion pa lang. Level ko na yung ay hindi pala green. Walang tower tayo dyan. Sayang pero ano yun. At least diba? Chance na lang natin. Kung nga ba ito. Pala isa sa mga features natin. Enhancement.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, kumamakana. Gagabilis,
Visual accessories. Damage and weapon. The rest is defense or each.
respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit, yo!
77 na overload. At max na level na tayo. For today. Until next time. Tomorrow. Kung follow ng 100. Ganun natin.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make
Yan
the
ang attack
order,
speed natin.
ready, fight.
300.
Cosplay fresh, day and night.
Kung flat rate 300 to ah. Tapos 2.7.
Passion, same game.
30%.
Cruise so tight, gear and grind.
Makakapag-hide ka pa dun. Yung ganyan, puro crit. Kahit mahina no.
Yo, let's go! Say, parlay.
Umayanig talaga yung screen eh.
Through cryo, create, never slow. This our game, let the world know. Shout out! Shout
Tagal pa to no.
out! Bossing, ho, ho.
pala, kailangan natin. Nahin ko muna to. Dali naman balikan nila. As long as hindi naka-on. Nakakalimutan ko. Yun.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumak, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit.
Peaceful siya.
Walang limit, yo!
Tama ba?
Master, Zoro, hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest mode on. Save Hialeah. Luluran, high level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Look at game live, hashtag true. Level up me and you. Measure twice,
Guruji.
cut once, paint na two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order, ready, fight.
Demon Tracker.
Fresh, day and night.
Ito yung mga madadali.
Lumobaling. Same passion,
Demon Treasure. Dalawa na lang.
cruise so tight. Gear and grind.
Ayun o. Ito yung mabuto. Sa pangatlong araw ko na pala ito yung ginagamit.
Yo, let's go. Say, bar, like gear.
Ito madali lang din to eh. As long as may Zenic.
This our game, let the world know. Shout out, shout out. Bossing.
Cut ko. With departure. So dito po, puro anong nabibili lang sa NPC. Minsan ano, sa trade. And ulit tayo. Link na. So till next time. See you tomorrow.
Palabal tayo, let's go.
Commission tayo. Good luck makapag-ano tayo dito.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Gagarabilis,
Kumuha tayo ng party dito.
axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumak, tuloy lang, XP bar,
May party ba?
loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban,
Party.
ulit. Walang quit,
Pala,
walang
hindi ko rin ako
limit, yo. Bossing, ho,
Unless may friends kayo, join na dito.
hands up, ready now.
Pahirapan yan.
Tayo, let's go.
Pass. Always check yung may mga red dot. It is a flame. Also, main stores, demon. So yan, medyo dyan tayo mahihirapan sa elude yung saka politiko. Unless may mabenta sa bill shop. Yan, kaya kailangan nyo yung gawin yung dailies. Yung mga nandun sa event. Si Sword, pwede din yun. Ayaw ni Dwayne. Ay, mali. Bakit may ano pala ako, Kinton Cloud pala ako. Stick to.
Palabal tayo, let's go. Sibat like yo.
Ayun. Tsagain mo lang unless gusto mong solo.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana.
Matagal kaya siguro ito.
Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumak, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na
Solo soloin na natin.
Click, respawn, laban ulit. Walang quit, walang limit. Bossing, ho ho, Master Zoro.
Kahit matagal. Tagal. Ilang beses. Dalawang araw na yata ito eh. Galing natin yung
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor
Fire.
built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready,
Wala.
fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO mano mo baling. Same passion, same game. Same malay, crew so tight.
Ba't pa rin yung green tooth, no?
Buong night. My pilot tayo, let's go. Say,
STR type to pag naka-STR type to.
through cryo.
Ganda pa rin yung ano.
This our game, let the world know. Shout out, shout out, bossing, ho ho, Master Zoro, level tayo. Let's go, saving Riker. Oh oh, let's go. Oh oh, save our Riker. Oh oh, let's go,
Main tooth. Try natin third. Special.
Palaban tayo, let's go.
CBT Justin. CBT. CBT tayo ngayon. Magandang mag-test ngayon ng mga bagay-bagay.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamaka na.
OBT natin siguro bago mag-April or depende sa announcement nila ng dev team. Ganda to. Grabe yung top speed eh. Pumapalo. Uy, nakaano pala ako, makabak pala ako. Sorry naman. That goal talaga 500 top speed eh, no? Shoutout bossing Justin Badger. Win. Sakit men boy.
Cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO mano mo baling. Same passion, same game. Same malay.
Siguro kung nag-pre-register kayo ng around Feb until March. First day of March for CBT. Meron kayong makukuha email, friend code para matry to CBT. So 14 classes ka. Actually 7 basic, yung usual 6 and then Dora.
Palabal tayo, let's go.
May potion pala to, no?
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamaka na. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na.
Nag-auto, buti nag-auto hide siya.
Tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check. Ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban ulit. Walang quit.
Maganda tong build na to. Ayun, Loki Courage. Plus 10. Ay, cancel. Kapag breaker. Kung yung normal natin. OE. Pero kung talagang mag-ano kayo. Ayun, for example, yung kaninang build in or dual dagger. Yung SD. AA, STA, STR Agitex. Babawiin mo na lang yung ibang stats or HP sa dahil ano tayo pasaway. Yan ang build natin. Uy, binagaan. Or usual sa magka-hide ba talaga siya kung sa sa PvP. So, pag monsters, anywhere, everywhere.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang round.
Kaya naman pala, pero matagal lang. Kasi iba pa rin yung 5-man team. Tinitignan ko din yung ano attack speed sa kayong crit. So almost umaabot na siya 300 and then 100 crit.
Once, paint na two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night.
Masapit ka may mouse.
Same passion, same game. Same light, crew so tight. Gear and grind, buong night. Tayo, let's go.
GG, Anthem Trio. Bossing Louis, thanks sa pag-like ng stream. Welcome to Ragnarok Origin Classic CBT tayo. CBT Gaming. Yung katulad yun, mahirapan na naman talaga. Smewy time. Anthem for today. Kakalimutan ko level na ano.
Palevel tayo, let's go. Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe,
Meron pa tayong mga ganito.
let's go. Tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check.
Meron pa tayong different tree. So, ang goal mo talaga if mag-CBT na tayo is hindi naman magana sa Dwayne. So, iyak tao tayo dyan, Dwayne. Hindi ka nag-ano. Jabowski. Ay, si Ashley yun. Iyak tawa. Solohin na lang. Ang party leader nyo. Dahil hindi ito yung main account, main character ito. ito yung pinapa-level ko. Talagang nagtatry out lang ako. So, 4 characters meron. Kaya natin matry lahat. Actually, natry ko na yung Lord Knight, Sniper, yung dalawang performer, yung Gypsy, saka yung Minstrel, Prof, and then Pro, saka yung Champion. So, hindi ko na lang natatry is Wizard, yung Merchant class, Priest, saka Paladin. So, early game siguro, early game, start the game, talagang skill type muna, skill build muna ang gagawin nyo. Or sundan nyo yung recommended via this one, auto assigns. There you go, tapos na. Ayan na, sila ng tonton. Medyo OC ako sa mga red dot na kaya kinukuha ko agad. Meron na pagdagdag. Ayan na. Bago ko i-click yan, ilabahan natin. 14 yung ating master annihilation. Pag pinipit ko to, boom, 14. Hindi na dagdag, parang yun na yun. Pag ba yun? Master annihilation. Yan, tapos kung may for example this one, yan ang shortcut to kasi may kasi nito ay pwede nyo kunin yung previous day retrieval basta meron kayo sapat na Zen. So ngayon currently 400 try nga natin kung kaya natin patumbahin yung Archangel in other ways. Armor built swag sayo to make the order ready fight cosplay fresh day and night MMO mano mobile same passion same game same balay cruise outside gear and grind buong night ayun po. Let's go say like Ano, wala pang bumaba na. Nata natin solo flight. Uy, meron. Nakaabot. Isa. Matagal pa yung iba. Wala pong bumaba na dito kasi mukhang mahirap. Eh, ganun lang usual. Click. Mini. Uy. Block da. Meron ng Holy. Kaya na yung nag-iisang holy. Ano ba yan? Wala pa yung ibang mga ano. Ay, hindi. Sa Frontera ba yun? Gusto ko nga itry ito.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make to order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. Memo mano mo baling. Same passion, same game.
Ganun kahirap mag ano. Kung hindi kaya yun, usually ano yun, saka mo na ano. Yun lang napansin ko. Ang siguro ang ano ngayon, ang madaling, madaling ano, sa mga support. Kasi never siya nawala. Quest muna tayo, madali lang ang mga quest dito. Ayan ko tulad yun. Pag walang quest, do yung sa annihilation in yung combat, daily combat duration. Mag-level na ba? Also,
Great sword swings to Mamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit.
stick tayo kay Bapo kasi pang ano to eh. Pala, available to sa mobile sa OBT. So sa OBT din nila i-release yung iOS version. So catch up na lang guys. CBT will last until March 16.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make to order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. Memo mano mo baling. Same passion, same game. Same balay, cruso tight. Gear and grind, buong night.
Ito pa yung mga AoE skill na
Let's go! Say, burn like gear. Harvest through cryo, create, never slow. This our game, let the world know. Shout out, shout out. Bossy, ho ho. Master, Zoro, level tayo. Let's go, say, be biker. Oh, oh, let's go. Oh, oh, say, more like it. Let's go, save it like it. Palevel tayo, let's go.
quest.
Save it like it. Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings to Mamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit. Bossy, ho ho. Master, Zoro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest mode.
Let's talk to boss. Yay, mag-aano na tayo. Lilimit to. 79 lang ha.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too.
Anong candy yun? Dali lang.
Ready, fight. Cosplay
Lucky candy nasa usik, nasa isip ko. Bakit mayroong ganito?
mo baling. Same passion, same game.
Speedy.
Balay, cruso tight. Gear and grind, buong night.
Doon na pala tayo. Bilis na din yun. Dito na agad. Dali lang naman. Ayan. Sasabi ko lang, max na tayo. Max na. Garden natin. Hindi naman mag-try. At least na-goal ko yung attack speed ko saka yung crit. Paano ko kaya yun? Kung may bago akong mind kaya. Dahil nakamax na tayo. Check. Ayan. Medyo okay diba? Hindi naman. Medyo ano lang. Husky. Ay. Alam ko nag-ano yun. Reverbitus na ako. Ayan guys. So ayan guys. So far yan. Day 3. Pang ilang karakter na natin to. Try naman tayo ng ibang karakter. Okay, ito try natin. Kasi may cooldown niya to. Kanina nag-update lang si Ludev. Usual area sa frontera. Tapos dito sa center, upper center ng map. Kita mo si main zone. Dito tayo magpapalit. Ayan. Hindi yan. Daming tao dito. Ito. Si Madam. Change job tayo na Biochem. Freeze tayo. I-revert mo lang to. Remove all. Okay. Revert. Confirm. Ay, naka-mount. Ayan, si Medjong. Job change. High freeze tayo. Yes. Sinex. Enjoy ako sa'yo, Sinex. Pero the nostalgia of Takatak build is on. Tamang ano lang yan. Oh, wait lang. Mabilis naman. Kailangan pala i-ano sa champion. Yung original natin, naka-champion yan. Kailangan pala ano sa web. So, nakabukas na Chrome. Yan. So, ayun. Balik tayo. Job change niya. Ayun. Please. Yun lang. Kailangan natin mag-wait ng 10 minutes. Abang-abang muna tayo dyan. Kailangan ko talaga ng pangalawang mo nito. Mag-alt-tab.
Once, paint na two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh.
Tagal pa, 8 minutes. Basa muna tayo na. Join din kayo sa Discord, mga pa. Makita nyo yung mga kaganaman natin. Natin yung mga server boost, media feed. Mga bago dito. Nandito usually nila nilalagay. Latest nila is yesterday lang. Nilagay sila about the gold coins. May shop limitation, daily must count, pay 200. Many runs, long period of auto mode, and even with combat often troublesome. We will reduce number of annihilation. But increase the loot. Oo, kaya nga ganun. Mataas yung loot niya. May CBT draw. Kung makaka-CBT pa kayo mga para. Meron pa. Ilang days pa tayo mag-CBT? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7, 11 days pa. Kaya pa yun. Nag-aabang lang ng ano. Max level. Mukhang max level 99 tayo. Mayroon sariling ano. Grabe. Hiniwalayan tayo ng ano. Chatroom ng mga Tagalog. Ito boys. Basa-basa din kayo mga para. Ilang minutes pa? 6 minutes? Grabe talaga. Tingnan ko lang yung tsurang pare kasi may naririnig ako or tawag dito. Or nabasa ng meta is either support, definitely dapat may support, and then next MP priest. Minutes. Holy Workers, holy damage, Samsho is usual ano. Equipment PDF and by 100%. And times 2. Paladin. Wow, sakit niya. Skill hit bonus. Gloria Domini. Fast din. Ang devotion. Master Smith. Maximum Trust. Uy, turret. May turret ang ano. May turret ang Master Smith. Usually sa ano lang yung Biochem. Acid Demo. So, beat base, each point additional increase multiplier. So, STR build ang Biochem. Hirap yan. Natry na natin lahat. Stalker. Yan. Ito yung ano, unique dito sa Stalker natin. Dito sa Origin Classic. So, bow, ano siya, switching siya ng bow, crossbow, and dagger. So, ano siya, parang ang item lang siya. Check natin ito. Equipment. So, crossbow blade siya. Concept ng crossbow and anti-blade niya. Yung weapon na Stalker. Prof book to eh. Try ko na to. So, lasting version na lang to sa itsura ng Stonehenge. Uy, bago to. May ibang classic. 3 minutes to go bago makapagpalit. Index usual. Ito po. Usual autocast. Weekend mind. Ito yung SP yata. Ano yung damage ito? Mind break yata to. O mental break. Ito sa classic. Super classic. Ito yung main account natin is LK.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings to Mamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na.
High priest, stalker, sniper, usual, ayan, ATL, and in type for trapper build. Minstrel or gypsy, and additional dito, familiar skills, Nebulang ring, and for farming purposes, arrow shower. And then lastly, summoner. Yan. Kung nakabutan nyo yung Doram or napag-Doram pa ito sa mobile version ng RO, ayan siya. Medyo iba lang yung current, pero familiar tong karot na to. Ilang minutes requirements, ayan. Rules ng job change, ayan. Character level remains unchanged. Reset lang stat and skill. You cannot wear any equipment does not match your job. Depends on the job. Yung mount depends on the job. Yes, stat, reverse, seek, cooldown. But for this purpose, ay yung reverse. Kung gusto mo bumalik to your previous job, you're free to do so, but only for 30 and 24 hours. Ayan. Unable to switch from Varven Dancer, you have to use 2. I'll change job. Right. Pwede na ba ang palit ng High Priest? No, we have 38 seconds to go para magpalit.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings to Mamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban,
8 seconds.
walang quit, walang limit, yo! Bossy, ho, ho! Master, Zoro! Hands up, ready now! High level tayo, let's go! Let's go! Grind all night, same crew! Let's go! On Monsters Quest mode on it!
Uy, bakit?
Dahil
naghihintay ako ng Uy, nag-maintenance. Awit sa'yo. Ba't nag-maintenance ka bigla? Server lang, biglang nag-maintenance yan Ay na ang general chat ng Adventurers Restful sa ating Ragnarok Origin Classic CBT days is on maintenance na walang announce. Meron ba nakalagay? Update maintenance. Wala naman biglaan sila nag-maintenance. Yak tawa tayo, bigla nag-maintenance No announcement? Wait lang. Doon ka muna, please. Doon ka muna. Sit down ka na dun. B. Sit down ka dun. Sit down. Ayun lang. Biglang 100 gold kompe. Itong mga Pinoy na ron, hirap ng tan. Yawa. Biglang ang main server down without notice. Yeah. Okay. Probably sir getting attacked by someone here. Oh, Didi. This is official classic. Having doubts. Anyway. Yep. So yun guys, 20, hihintay pa ba tayo? Back online na. Back online na pala guys. Quick refresh lang. Pare. Convert. Yes, high priest. Isa-isa natin to, no? Okay, lalagin lang ako ulit. Need compensate. Push na. Kumpe pa kayo mga boy. Pare na. At hindi pag-isipan yung pangalan, random shenanigans ng pangalan natin. Pero nakakita nyo agad 4. Skills, tingnan natin muna skills. Holy Light with Blessing, the usual acolyte. May libreng roak. Magnus, Glory, Aspersion, yung Numa nandito na. Oh no! Mayroon bang kailangan dito? Yun lang Blue Gem ang kailangan talaga ng ME. Mana, SP Consumption. Uy, bakit? Leap of Faith. Doon ka muna. Sword loser ka talaga, no? Doon ka muna. This po, bago to, Leap of Faith, charge forward. Ito. Dispel all status effects control, bago yan. High Priest Meditation. So, mag-i-stick tayo sa ME. Excuse me po. Kulit lang pag nagano pa tayo dito, battle priest na no? May Agi. Yung teleport. No Crucis. Ayan, this your acolyte. Nung build lang pwede. It's Tracer. And Undead. Let's check kung anong mga weapon natin. Uy, what's this? Dalawa. 1 and... Ay, ba't wala? Build. O, kailangan natin i-unlock yun, ha. Or meron sa ano? Meron sa... Wala. Wala dito. Guide. Ay. Maze type. Build it. Spike. Crit resist. Holy weapon. Uy, crossy break. Bakit din ito ang hammer? Wake chance acid terror. Physical damage to you those who are broken. Uy. So, dalawa. Grand Cross yung Holy. Holy skill damage. Uy. Spike. Resist ng ano. Great. And then yung Scepter. Heal type to recovery and curse. Turn undead nil. So ayun nga. May fist ka pa. Pwede ka mag-fist. Ay hindi, pang ano lang to eh. Pero ang kulit eh, no? Pwede siya mag-face pero wala siyang ano, malang dokra. Uy, pampamilyar itong malang dokra nito. Triple attack for... Yan. So, ayun talagang ano lang. Defensive or support ka. Ayun natin to. Auto add points. Let's go. Skill. ME, kailangan natin ng... Uy! Turn undead. Unlock in. Target survivors. Lock in. So lock in talaga pa rin siya. So no battle freeze pero Dudex siya. Definitely Dudex. Lagyan natin ng skill. Saka na tayo magpapalevel. Wala tayong kasing weapon. Dawn Hammer. Ano yan? Oh? Gulat ikaw? So, punta tayo ng Divine Armaments. Spike. Ito. Police skill damage. Anyway. It's possible pero not possible. Kevin Dungeon.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings to mamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar.
Hey.
Umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit.
Hindi natin matatry MP. Unless bumili ako. Alam mo, Roblox pa yan. Ano naman yung dalawa mo? Roblox.
Measure twice, cut once, paint na two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO man, umobaling. Same passion, same game. Same balay, cruise so tight. Gear and grind,
Gold.
buong night.
Eden Coin.
Tayo, let's go. Say, Barley Gear.
Okay, fine.
Cryo, create, never slow. This
Skill natin. I-auto na natin to. Turn and dead. Bago ng 2 decks. Hold down. Ito. Kulang sa decks pero pwede na yan.
Palabal tayo, let's go.
Unless talagang gagamitin mo to, no? Eh, walang, parang pili ko no point eh. Ay, hindi yan. No point shield.
Ready na. Great sword swings to mamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go. Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready.
Ito yung doppelganger card ka.
Click, respawn, laban,
Diba?
ulit.
Card.
Walang quit, walang limit, yo. Bossing, ho, ho. Master,
Uwi.
ready na. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest mode on. Say balay, liya. Luluran, level tayo.
Physical damage lang. Okay.
To legendary. Look at game.
Ito. Ito natin.
Level up me and you.
HP.
Once, paint na two. Armor
Ano naman
built,
i-ano
swak
naman
sa'yo
natin to eh.
Make the order, ready, fight.
Mga essentials
Cosplay
lang.
fresh, day and night.
Or familiar lang.
Umobaling. Same passion, same
HP crit. Pwede yung 0.
gear and grind.
Sa accessories. I-upgrade.
Tayo, let's go.
Nga lang deck.
Barley Gear. Harvest through cryo, create,
Pwede
never
yan.
slow. This
Wala pa dyan mga brad yung
out. Shut up.
enchantment natin.
Palabal tayo, let's go.
So, ayun. ME. ME kabudol tayo. Alam ko pwede mo ganun. Pero at least na-try natin sa CBT. Either magic user ka for exorcist or support. If unless gumawa ka ng himalang magkaroon ko ng other function ng maze hammer. Auto attack. Ball of Fire.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO manu mobile.
And this Scroll of Dawn, Nightmare Temple Parade.
Cruso tayo, gear and grind. Buong night high.
Kasi you want, ano talaga, kuha ka muna ng farmer mo na pwedeng na kaya mag-solo sa mga instances like yung sa Nightmare Temple o sa Tower of Nightmare. Hindi ka magpapalit until max level, save your job change type. Kasi alam ko from global or C server 1 lang unless kailangan mo bilhin yung kailangan mo bilhin yung
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings to mamakana.
job right,
Dagger bilis, double critical na.
which is
Hammer, bahala na.
wala pa siya.
Tuloy lang, XP bar.
Well, I think meron na yata. Hindi ko lang napansin.
Click, respawn, laban, ulit.
Bitcoin,
Walang quit, walang limit, yo.
social,
Master, Zoro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go.
card,
Grind all night, save crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest,
others.
on it. Save Alali.
May nakita ba ako dito?
Level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Game life, hashtag true.
Grocery shop.
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO manu mobile. Same passion, same game. Same balay, cruso tayo.
Function, ayan. Pwede pala. 1 million. Gender change voucher, 10M. Good luck mag-ipon ng 10M. For now kasi ang mga converter is sama sa monthly pass. Ayan, testing natin dapat tayo ng mga character. Ito yung beauty, ano ba ito? Hindi ko nakita.
Level tayo, let's go.
Hindi ko nakita. Or napansin ko anong plastic. Deep sea. Ito yung deep
Sword
sea
and
natin.
shield, ready na. Great sword swings to mamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na.
Para
Let's go.
kaya natin yung tsura.
Tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check. Ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit, yo. Bossing, ho, ho. Master, Zoro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go.
Tayo na.
Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest,
Alam mo, masters.
level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Look at game life, hashtag true. Level up me and you. Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor built, swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night.
Curious ako dun sa turret.
Same passion, same game. Same balay, cruso tayo.
AV turret ba yun? Ang blacksmith. Tingnan natin. another 9 minutes na naman. At least mas madalis na yan since we nasa CBT. Kailangan tayo yung change lalaga-laga. Summon 1 auto attack is turret, which automatic attack. Neighbor monster, daily 1 neutral, 37 seconds. MVP sa kapos. Okay, build mo. Maximum overcharge. Ay, wag. Dito tayo sa guide natin. Merchant. So, merong hatchet, axe. No, hatchet and axe lang. Hatchet is one-hand axe. Mga turret to. Uy, Lactex. Spike. Tank build. Ang axe is axe boomerang. Heart attack. Ang isa pa. Heavy attack speed. I would go unless magbubumerang ka. Pero mas mataas ang damage na 200 pa rin. Skill user lang. Kasi itong one hand axe is more on Agi. Consumption ng din saka turret. Hurry up na ba?
Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Build swag sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO manu mobile. Same passion, same game. Same balay, cruso tayo.
5 minutes. Quick look lang natin. Pero based sa suggestion niya, SPR lock and Dex. Highest. Damage type, I think. 5 minutes pa tayo. Oh. Lolobat na pala.
Ready na. Great sword swings to mamakana. Gagarabilis, double critical na. Bow axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tumak, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit.
So, stalker, ay di. May ano na ako sa stalker. Unless may biochem. May chemical protect. Madaling ma-counter talaga yung stalker. Ito si 3%. Pero may upgrade ka pa pala. Guides and then pet gallery. Unlock ko kaya itong ano. So, 100. Level natin siya. 70. Palo. Kailangan din. Start.
Palabal tayo, let's go!
Isa lang. Unless gusto mo bumili pa ng isa, may upgrade mo siya. Kasi mukhang doon mo lang makukuha yun. Pep. Yung upgrade niya yun. Pet shirt. Ayun, pet shirt. 100. Ito hanggang level 3 na. Default niya isa. Talagang ano yun. Pwede na ba tayo mag-ano? Water. Yan na, server news na. Really, nawawala ko pa ako. Look at TV. Ayun na, meron na nga. After 2 days of testing, we believe everyone now has a better understanding of the design philosophy behind Ragnarok Origin Classic. The feedback we've received so far has mostly focused on gameplay experience and combat balance. As a game built around fair competition, these are naturally our top priorities. And then early MVP participation highly concentrated, so during the early launch period, we will introduce an event that increase the number of teams eligible for MVP team rewards. On the other, depending on number of players online, the maximum number of reward eligible team can increase up to 10. For certain jobs, such as high whiz and global cooldown, AoE skip is currently too long, we reduce it as soon as possible. Some skills use description contains ambiguous words. We will continue collecting feedback and revise them to ensure clear and more accurate description. We plan to add weekly purchase limit to certain items in gold shops, including Mora coins, light and dark feathers, foreign coins, purple star coins. We plan to adjust the amount of Eden requirement for seasonal stat upgrade and divine armament. reducing the coin burden on adventurers. Many players have also asked about the plan or after the official launch. We would like to share some information. Player asks whether login rewards that includes MVP Moonlight will remain the same. We will confirm the official release will keep the same reward. The monthly pass price and included rewards are also the final version. After launch, we will only add more features. No existing content will be removed. The wedding system will be introduced in the first major expansion update after the official launch. The job expansion for second job entrance second job for Rebellion and Adept Novice is also currently in preparation. However, the trans job skills effect needs to be redesigned. There will be maybe their release may come a little later. So we hope you enjoy your experience suggestions. So fill out the survey and share the thoughts. At the same time, we also provide a custom amount for completing the survey. This reward will be delivered after the launch to players who participate. Uy, go na yung mga guys. Once official launch, there will even more events, rewards, and bring adventure from different regions together. So fun. Okay, mukhang tapos na. Flame. Ayan na. Master Smith na tayo. Tignan natin yung tsura. Ang skills muna bago mag-decide kung ano build ang gagawin natin. Naman siya. Ayan na. Tagal na naman. Master Smith. Auto natin is Combat Iron or Craft. Discount OCDC sa skill damage, top vitality, Agidex, SAD, the usual. Tingnan natin ang skills. Card use, okay, meron siyang card. OCDC Uproar, AC Uproar. Uy, plus 4 siya, card Revo. Okay. At least hindi kailangan ng Mammonite. Meron siyang Slamming Smash. Art mode. Uy. Next is okay, Blacksmith. Hammerfall, hit blunting. Power thrust, perfection, skill tap, so wala siyang Blacksmith na pang forge. Ano ba ako? Okay. Ayan na nga ba, sinasabi ko. Ito na yun. Ito nihintay guys. Card boost. High speed ramp. Impact launcher. Parang overhead model. So Master Smith is more into it. Suggestion ng yun lang. Trader Boomerang. Ano yung nasa natin? Builds? No. Guides. Ay, hindi yan. Yung hammer. Yung one hand is turret base. Meltdown, block. Precis. Itong build ng Two-hand axe is heavy. May penalty sa attacks made by Sir Axe. Cart-based attacks. Ito axe boomerang ito.
Sword and shield, ready now. Great sword swings,
Each refine plus 1.
Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na.
So, ano kukunin natin? Siyempre, combat.
Drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang
Combat siya, kaya natin combat. At least magka-craft ka.
hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest mode on. Say Valhalla. High level tayo, let's go. From no gear to
200. Skill.
level up me and you. Measure twice, cut once, paint not two. Armor build, swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight.
Ayun.
Cosplay
So,
fresh, day and
OCDC
night.
cards.
Memo, mano mo, balik.
Kasi,
Same passion, same game. Same like Cruso tight. Gear and grind. Buong night high. Pilot tayo,
Hindi.
let's go. Say,
Yes.
Progress through grind. Free, ain't never slow. This our game, let the world know. Shout out, shout out. Bossy,
adrenaline rush.
master.
Yep, adrenaline rush. Boomerang. Rush.
Palabal tayo, let's go. Sibat like you.
Sarado yata, min.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana.
Kukuha ng card.
Bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go. Tumap, tuloy lang, XP
Kuha tayo ng card muna.
blue check, ready, drop na isang run, isang
Tough run, usual.
respawn, laban, ulit. Walang
Oh no,
walang limit, yo.
Alberta.
Master, so
Hometown ng
high level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters
Brent.
mode on. Say Valhalla. High level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Look at game
First job.
level up me and you. Measure
Ah,
twice, cut
yun
once,
na yun.
paint not two. Armor build, swak sa'yo too. Make the
Ang pa-level to para makita yung ano eh. Turret eh.
fresh, day and night. MMO, mano mo, balik. Same passion, same game. Same
Pero axe boomerang tayo. Tara.
so tight.
Kunin natin yung
And grind. Buong night high. Pilot tayo, let's go. Say,
ano ba yun?
Progress through grind.
Double check kung duhan.
Slow. This our
Duhan
game,
kasi
let
nga
the
eh.
world know. Shout out, shout out. Bossy, ho, ho. Master, Zorro. Level tayo. Let's go. Say big Riker. Oh, oh. Let's go. Oh, oh. Say more like it. Oh, oh. Let's go. Say big like it.
Strike.
Palabal tayo, let's go.
200 lang. Iba lang.
Sibat like you.
Turret nga yung gusto ko eh. Hindi yung ano na lang.
Ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go. Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. Walang quit, walang limit, yo. Bossy, ho, ho. Master, Zorro. Hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew.
Ah. Top speed niya is 180. Hindi naka-ready yung anak ko. Nag-ready this rush.
Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night.
Full agad, 2, 3.
Same game.
Pwede pa naman. Oops.
Who's so tight? Gear and grind. Buong night high.
Level.
Let's go. Say, bar,
Red Raider.
harvest through grind. Create, never slow. This our game. Let the work know.
Birthday.
Shut out. Shut out.
Natin card mo. Hindi pa kasi nakahanda ko yung card. Fire.
Palabal tayo, let's go! Sibat like go! Sword and shield, ready na.
Bad.
Great sword swings, tumamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go! Tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat.
Sakto lang yung ano lang
Drop na isang run, isa pa. Click,
Kusang uuwi yan. Oops.
walang quit, walang limit, yo.
Ayun na. Mail na din pala.
Master, Zoro, hands up, ready now. High level tayo, let's go. Let's go. Grind all night, same crew. Let's go. On Monsters Quest mode on. Say Balaliya. Lutheran, high level tayo, let's go. From no gear to legendary. Look at game like hashtag true. Level up me and you. Measure twice, cut once. Paint not two.
Grabe naman.
Armor build swak sa'yo too. Make the order ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night. MMO man umobaling. Same passion, same game. Same balay.
Asan na yun?
So tight. Gear and grind. Buong night.
Or cave. Go.
Tayo, let's go. Say, bar, like girl. Harvest through grind. Create, never slow. This our game. Let the world know. Shout out, shout out. Bossy, ho ho.
130. Hindi pa pala ako namimili. Ay, hindi pa pala ramdam to.
Palabal tayo, let's go.
Hindi pala mararamdaman ito.
Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings,
Maganda yun.
tumamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe,
Ayun guys,
bahala na. Let's go.
pause muna tayo dito.
Tuloy lang, XP bar,
Hindi pala mararamdaman yung ano.
drop na isang run, isa pa.
Yung
Respawn, laban, ulit.
turret wala pa pala.
Walang quit, walang limit, yo.
So guys, kita-kits na lang tayo sa OBT. This upcoming bago or bago ma-end ng March or early ng April. So guys, kita-kits tayo sa OBT or balik tayo for testing another class. Like mo tayo guys. Bye!
Palabal tayo, let's go. Sibat like go. Sword and shield, ready na. Great sword swings, tumamakana. Dagger bilis, double critical na. Bow, axe, hammer, bahala na. Let's go. Tumap, tuloy lang, XP bar, umakyat, loot check, ready, drop na isang run, isa pa. Click, respawn, laban, ulit. cut ones, paint na to. Armor built, swak sa'yo to. Made to order, ready, fight. Cosplay fresh, day and night.